Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. So if you're looking for a quick and inexpensive way to revitalize your bathroom, a new coat of paint is a great way to do so. Just last weekend I did this exact project and I chose the Benjamin Moore Aura Bath and Spa paint. It's full of great features and it's specially formulated specifically for bathroom applications. Let me tell you more about it. Flat and matte paints are traditionally used for low traffic areas because they're susceptible to scuffs and stains. But the Aura Bath and Spa paint from Benjamin Moore is not only great for that wear and tear, also is awesome for heat, humidity, steam, and mildew. My first impression was that the paint was noticeably thicker than other paints I've recently used, which correlated into longer dry times between each coat. But after 2 coats of paint and ample dry time, my 80-year-old plaster walls look silky and smooth. The matte finish did a great job of hiding any surface imperfections, and like most other low luster paints, it touched up great. Another notable feature about this Benjamin Moore paint is its green promise, meaning it's made with low VOCs. This is great because it won't disrupt your indoor air quality and it's perfect for use around children or in low ventilation areas. All in all, I was pleasantly surprised by the Aura Bath and Spa paint. Its unique matte finish, engineered resistance to moisture and stains, and low VOC makes this paint Family Handyman approved. To see what other products we're testing and approving, head on over to familyhandyman.com.